It's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with a 12-inch by 24-inch canvas, some Aussie Floetrol with different colors, starting with the white and the black are from, oh God, what a time to have a brain cramp. Never mind, we'll figure it out in a minute. I'm going to start with some French silk. And I'm going to stop and do a few puddles here and there. Amsterdam. That's what the word I was looking for. So I want to go rogue. I just want to go all over the place with my colors. I'm going to just use my favorite colors. Here's some African Violet. I'm not gonna rest the orange yet. I like to save my orange for the end. Here is Pink Carnation. And try and oppose the puddles so they're not all in the same place, although that would make for interesting composition. Because when things are puddled, that's when you get the best cell combination colors. This is my Pink Diamond. Where it is when it comes out. I have a bigger bottle. Do I want to use it now? Here we go. No. Come on out. It's time to mix some more. This particular one I believe was mixed with Vivid Polypore. I have been alternating my mixtures. Blooms are best with Vivid Enamel. You can find both of them. Oh, you know what? This is just gorgeous with the... I just want I think I just want to keep it like it is. This is Orange Crush. Is it Orange Crush? No, this is my custom mix. This is Orange Crush with some Big Apple. I'm going to add a little Tuscan Sun. And I'm basically doing what I always do. Tara's going, yep. Making a painting before a painting. But I am using my sort of standard favorite colors. The Cerulean Blue is a relatively new addition to my favorite colors. I'm imagining that'll make green. It sort of winds up being a rainbow every time. Different configurations. I want something different this time. I think I'm going to go with a little poinsettia. Yep. I know a lot of people lay the colors over each other, and that is a good idea. It does work. Here's my black raspberry, which I kind of think will probably work best over some white. Or if it's not white, it's the French silk. I could probably still be pretty happy adding, that needs to be cleaned out so badly. Just going to pull the top right off. Leave that aside. I want some lighter color blues. I also want to clean that out. I have a blue bonnet. I also have a Northern Sky. Northern Sky would be kind of nice. There's the blue bonnet. I like the blue bonnet. I prefer the blue bonnet. I don't have any turquoise in here. Well, I don't know. That cerulean blue looks really nice in turquoise. There's the blue bonnet. Now, I said I was going to save my orange till after, and then I didn't. Which means I got a couple other shades, and the Orange Crush will come after. I have Orange Crush and Sour Lemon. Which always zhuzhes things up very nicely. I need a day of paint mixing. I am expecting some more pouring medium, some more vivid polypore. And I just found my favorite mixing spatula when I cut down with a razor blade on one side so it would fit into the bottles if I want to scrape the residuals out of the bottom. Alright, so what else do I want? Oh, I want what I thought I was going to start with, which was some frosted berry. And because I haven't added any, I'm going to go for some of the Mayan gold. And I'm either crying out for some kind of turquoise, which could be Dark Waters, or Water Dragon, or Chrysocolla is what I used yesterday. Neptune's Gaze, Peacock. Give it a little shake. Maybe what I really want is some of the Fandango. I think that might be right. I think I should give it a shot, since we were talking rainbows anyway. Alternatively, I could just go to my favorite, which is Frozen. And that could probably cure my problem, no problem. No problem. Alright, now, I said I was going to stick some more Chantilly lace in there. And that's a lot of paint, and that's what I needed. I needed a lot of paint. Question is, do I have enough? And if I don't have enough, should I just go ahead and indulge myself in my blue velvet? Yes. The answer is yes, yes, and yes again to the blue velvet. That sticking sound is the fact that I used the last sheet in a roll of Glad cling wrap, press and seal, and my fingers stick to the bottle every time. Alright, so I'm just going to start, and I'm thinking that I want to start with the white. Did I open it? Yes, I did. Good girl. I have some gold, which is golden iridescent, and Decor Americana. And they're all in Aussie Floetrol, and there's some black to finish. I'm just going to go down and do the same thing. Only this time I'm going to go for some of my orange, which is Aussie Floetrol with a little bit of orange unicorn spit. And then I'm going to do some purple, I believe, after the white. I'm starting with the white every time. Maybe I want to do purple and gold. I think I do. I've got some cerulean blue too, and I didn't do anything with that yet. And I'm planning on dragging some things through the residuals. So let's see what I want to do with the last. If I'm going to go that way, so it's on the tip, still start with the white. And the black, and a little gold, and some orange. Getting some good cells. I'm going to have to go that way. I have some red, I have some magenta, I should say, from Golden. It was a fluid. I never did use any of the Cerulean Blue, but it doesn't mean I won't. I've wanted to do a 12 by 24 for a while now. Now I think I'm going to just give myself permission to drag some more paint down. But I'm going to leave some of the colors behind. Never did grab that Cerulean Blue, but I will now. I put a little purple with it. Purple is dioxazine purple from Hobby Lobby. I think a little more over here. I wanted to leave some of the black negative space behind. And I think what I'm just going to do is use my spatula like I do often. And run it up and down through in a zigzag pattern. And then if I really want to, I'll add some spirals. And I usually really do. I like the colors I left behind as much as I like everything else. The cells are great, but the Prizm pours make the art. There is a 20% off coupon underneath Show More, or maybe right above Show More, underneath the repeated title of the video. I just wanted to tip one of these. I don't think tipping would help right now, but you never know. It is turning out pretty cool. Sometimes I think it won't, and it still does. Especially like the fact that those colors in there mean that if I really want to just go in and grab something, it's a pure version. If I need something else, like right there, a little more pink won't hurt anybody. Now if I'm going to put spirals in, I ought to think about doing that. I got rid of an awful lot of my black. I really like this. I'm going to wipe off my spatula, which should signify me being just about done. Tell you guys, I love you. Thank you for inspiring the heck out of me. So happy you were here. I post 7 days a week at noon Eastern Standard Time, at least for now. I'm going to grab a smaller spatula. Sometimes I think about putting a skewer in And this is not the time to do that because I don't think rolling a skewer would do anything but mix the colors more than I want them to be mixed already. They mixed a little dark in places, but I think that the bright places outweigh the issue with the dark. And I like the zigzag spatula, and I have a little bit, what did I just see? I just saw a bubble there. Well, I might torch to release the bubbles, but I'm going to pop the ones I see first, and then I'm going to zoom in really quickly and tell you guys, I haven't decided to spiral, but I definitely think I will. I've got 3 minutes to tell you guys what I'm going to tell you. I like to spin them at the end. So I go around in a circle and then I spin the skewer instead of trying to use the I use the skewer instead of trying to go around in a circle, in other words. I needed other words then. That's pretty cool. Looking for any place that might enjoy something a little different. It's very quiet. I like this when I get focused. I like putting lines in too. So what should I tell you guys before the timer tells me I'm all done speaking to you? Thank you guys for all the donations that have helped keep me painting in the past. If you are somebody who can help contribute to keep the studio rolling and making videos, look for the PayPal icon on the bottom right hand corner of my YouTube channel banner, and know that you'll be eligible, if you so desire, to have a 15-minute free consultation with me during the 30 days starting when you make your contribution. Took me a minute to figure that out. Well, I want to say I'm done, but I'm not. I'm still playing. I'm still finding interesting places to go. And enjoying my spirals more and more as I add them. I have some really nice cells. I got some great colors. Which I like the fact that you can go in and add a spiral and not lose your colors. So don't forget the 20% off coupon code for Colour Arte underneath the video. I'm an affiliate, so when you shop the website that's accompanying the coupon and use my coupon code for 20% off, you help me out. Just like if you were shopping my Amazon link on the link tree, or my Legalerist, or my spring clothing, or any number of things. Let me have a quick zoom in there. I'm still seeing something that I want to fix. Anything that stops the eye dead in its tracks is a good place to put a spiral. All right, let me grab my phone and shimmer at you. You're going to be gone before I know it. And this is pretty cool. There's a lot going on in there and it's all fun. Good colors. Look at that. Awesome. Wish I could go back and forth. I'll try. You'll be gone before you know it. I love you guys. I have over 2,400 videos. So if you're looking for something, let me know because I've got them all saved by topic and genre and by the 100. Or you can go to my YouTube channel and look for playlists, all playlists, creative playlists. If you have questions, please ask me. If you're looking for tomorrow's video, look on the community board on my channel. What else did I not tell you? I do sell my artwork and I give classes at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. Woo! Pretty. Very pretty. Alright, you guys